You don't hear that proverb before. You don't hear that word before. I believe if you chase your woman out of the house based on say maybe she's not doing what you like, or another woman out there don't use jazz on you, constantly making separate you and your wife, you know, come get yourself, you go to fight. You fight your wife, the next thing you chase her out. If you chase your wife out, say you don't like her again, e get some guys out there wey cherish her, even wey like her the way, the condition wey you put her, wey be say if they grab her, then go help you put her in a good way, wey be say if you see her, your hand no go fit reach am again. Then go help you take care of that woman. Then go clothe her. Then go open business for her. They will make sure she's happy. You understand? They will make